Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Assurance Competitive Mathematics. In this video, we will solve the questions of JEE Main 4th September 2020. Dear friends, subscribe the channel Assurance Competitive Mathematics. If you have not subscribed yet, press like button if you like my video and share this video with friends so that many students can watch this video and get benefit. First question, let f be a twice differentiable function on 1 6 if f of 2 equal to 8, f dash 2 equal to 5, f dash x is greater than equal to 1 and f double dash x is greater than equal to 4 for all x belonging to open interval 1 6, for all x belonging to open interval 1 6, then the options are f of 5 plus f dash 5 is greater than or equal to 28. Second, f of 5 plus f dash 5 is less than or equal to 26. Third, f dash 5 plus f double dash 5 is less than or equal to 20. And fourth option is f of 5 is less than or equal to 10. Solution. It is given that f of 2 equal to 8, f dash of 2 equal to 5, f dash x is greater than or equal to 1 and f double dash x is greater than or equal to 4 for all x belonging to open interval 1 6. By the definition, f double dash x equal to f dash 5 minus f dash 2 divided by 5 minus 2, and which is given as greater than or equal to 4. From this, substitute the values of f dash 2 equal to 5 and simplifying you will get f dash 5 is greater than or equal to 17. F dash 5 is greater than or equal to 17. This is first equation. Now, again by the definition of differentiation, f dash x equal to f of 5 minus f of 2 divided by 5 minus 2, which is greater than or equal to 1. Now, substitute the values of f of 2 equal to 8 in this equation. You will get f of 5 is greater than or equal to 11. This is equation 2. From this equation 1 and 2, f dash 5 plus f of 5 is greater than or equal to 17 plus 11, that is 28. Thus, answer is f dash 5 plus f of 5 is greater than or equal to 28, and hence correct option is 1. Question third, if a plus root 2b cos x into a minus root 2b cos y equal to a square minus b square, where a is greater than b is greater than 0, then dx by dy at pi by 4 to pi by 4 is 1. A plus b divided by a minus b. Second, a minus 2b divided by a plus 2b. Third, a minus b divided by a plus b. And option 4, 2a plus b divided by 2a minus b. Solution. It is given that a plus root 2b cos x into a minus root 2b cos y equal to a square minus b square. This implies that if we multiply these two, we will get a square minus root 2ab cos y plus root 2ab cos x minus 2b square cos x cos y equal to a square minus b square. If we differentiate both sides, we will get derivative of a square is 0 minus root 2 times ab into minus sin y dy by dx plus root 2 times ab into minus sin x minus 2b square into cos x into minus sin y dy by dx plus cos y into minus sin x, which is equal to 0, because derivative of a square minus b square is 0. At pi by 4, pi by 4, AB into dy by dx minus AB minus 2b square into minus 1 by 2 dy by dx minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. This implies that dx by dy equal to AB plus b square divided by AB minus b square. Taking b common and cancelling to numerator and denominator, we will get a plus b divided by a minus b, where a and b are greater than 0. Hence, correct option is 1. Question 4. The integration x divided by x sin x plus cos x bracket square dx is equal to the integration of x divided by x sin x plus cos x bracket square dx is equal to, options are 1 sec x plus x tan x divided by x sin x plus cos x plus c. Option second, tan x plus x sec x divided by x sin x plus cos x plus c. Option 3, sec x minus x tan x divided by x sin x plus cos x plus c. And option 4, tan x minus x sec x divided by x sin x plus cos x plus c. Solution. Integration of x divided by x sin x plus cos x bracket square dx equal to integration of x divided by cos x into x cos x dx divided by x sin x plus cos x bracket square, rearranging the terms, which is nothing but x divided by cos x into minus times 1 divided by x sin x plus cos x plus integration of cos x plus x sin x divided by cos square x into 1 divided by x sin x plus cos x dx, which is equal to minus x sec x divided by x sin x plus cos x plus integration of sec square x dx. We know that integration of sec square x is tan x. Therefore, this becomes minus x sec x divided by x sin x plus cos x plus tan x plus c. And hence, correct option is 4th. Question 5. If A equal to matrix cos theta, I sin theta, cos theta, and theta equal to pi by 24, and A raised to 5 equal to A, B, C, D matrix. A raised to 5 equal to matrix A, B, C, D, where I equal to square root of minus 1. Then which one of the following is not true? Options are A square plus B square lies between 0 to 1. Option second, A square minus C square equal to 1. Option 3, A square minus B square equal to 1 by 2. And option 4, A square minus D square equal to 0. Solution. A equal to matrix cos theta, I sin theta plus cos theta. If you take square, A square equal to cos 2 theta, I sin 2 theta, and cos 2 theta. Similarly, if you take fifth power of A raised to 5 equal to cos 5 theta plus I sin 5 theta, cos theta equal to matrix A, B, C, D. This implies that A equal to cos 5 theta, B equal to I sin 5 theta, C equal to I sin 5 theta, and D equal to cos 5 theta. We have to choose which statement is not true. We shall see one by one. A square plus B square. A square plus B square equal to cos raised to 5 theta minus sin raised to 5 theta equal to cos 10 theta equal to cos of 75 degree. We know that cos theta lies between 0 to 1. Therefore, A square plus B square lies between 0 to 1. This statement is true. a square minus b square equal to cos raised to 5 theta minus cos raised to 5 theta equal to 0. This fourth statement is also true. A square minus b square equal to cos raised to 5 theta plus sin raised to 5 theta, which is equal to 1. Therefore, statement 3 is not correct. It is given 1 by 2. And a square minus c square equal to cos square 5 theta. A square minus c square equal to cos square 5 theta plus sin square 5 theta, which is 1. Thus, the statements 1, 2 and 4 are correct statements, and the statement a square minus b square equal to 1 by 2 is wrong. Hence, our correct option is 3. Question 6. A triangle ABC lying in the first quadrant has two vertices as A12 and B31. If angle BAC equal to 90 degree and AR triangle ABC equal to 5 root 5 square unit. A triangle ABC lying in the first quadrant has two vertices as 1, 2 and 3, 1. If angle BAC equal to 90 degree and area of triangle ABC equal to 5 square root 5 unit, then the abscissa of the vertex C is dash dash units. Options are 1, 1 plus 2 root 5, 2, 1 plus root 5, 3, 2 root 5 minus 1 and 4, 2 plus root 5. This is a given. Triangle ABC is in first quadrant. A is at 1, 2, C is at 3, 1, B is at 3, 1 and C, suppose the coordinates of C are H and K. Angle A is a 90 degree, it is given. Therefore, K minus 2 divided by H minus 1 is the slope of AC and 1 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1 is the slope of AB. And as AC is a perpendicular to AB, their product is minus 1. Therefore, K minus 2 divided by H minus 1 into 1 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1 equal to minus 1. This implies K equal to 2H. Therefore, root of 5 into H minus 1 equal to 10, where area of triangle is 5 root 5. This implies that 1 by 2 into root 5 into square root of H minus 1 square plus K minus 2 square is equal to 5 root 5. And hence H equal to 2 root 5 plus 1. H is greater than 0. And hence correct option is 1. Question 7. The value of sum R from 0 to 20 of 50 minus RC6 is equal to. Options are 51C7 plus 30C7. Option 2. 50C7 minus 30C7. Option 3. 51C7 minus 30C7. Option 4. 50C6 minus 30C6. Solution. Sum R equal to 0 to 20 of 50 minus RC6 is nothing but 50C6 plus 49C6 plus 48C6 plus so on upon plus 50 minus 20, that is 30C6. That means the terms from 50C6 to 30C6, sum of all these terms. This can be written as 50C6 plus 49C6 plus sum of all the terms plus 31C6 plus 30C6. We shall add one more term, 30C7, and subtract 30C7. Therefore, answer will be 50C6 plus 49C6 plus so on 31C6 plus 30C6 plus 30C7 becomes 31C7 minus 30c7. And continuing in this way, we will get 50c6 plus 50c7 minus last term 30c7 as it is. And thus we will get 51c7 minus 30c7, and hence correct option is C. In this problem, we have used the formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Question 8. Let P33 be a point on the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. If the normal to it at P intersect the x-axis at 90 and E is its eccentricity, then the order pair a square e square is equal to, options are order pair 9 3, order pair 3 by 2 2, order pair 9 by 2 3, and order pair 9 by 2 2. Since 3 3 lies on x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, we have 9 by a square minus 9 by b square equal to 1. Now, normal at 3 3 is y minus 3 equal to minus a square by b square into x minus 3, which passes through the point 9 0. This implies that b square equal to 2a square. So, e square equal to 1 plus b square by a square, which is nothing but 3. E square equal to 3. Also, a square equal to 9 by 2. Thus, a square e square equal to 9 by 2, 3 order pair. Thus, correct option is 3. Question 9. Let y equal to y of x be the solution of differential equation x y dash minus y equal to x square into x cos x plus sin x, x greater than 0. If y at pi equal to pi, then y double dash at pi by 2 plus y at pi by 2 is equal to, options are 2 plus pi by 2, 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi square by 4, 1 plus pi by 2 plus pi square by 4, and 1 plus pi by 2. Solution. The given equation is x into dy by dx minus y equal to x square into x cos x plus sin x. Therefore, dy by dx minus y by x equal to x into x cos x plus sin x. This is the equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, linear differential equation. So, its integrating factor is e raised to integration of 1 by x dx, which is nothing but 1 by mod x. But x is greater than 0 is given, therefore 1 by mod x is nothing but 1 by x. Therefore, integrating factor is 1 by x. Thus, y by x equal to integration of 1 by x into x cos x plus sin x dx implies that y by x equal to x sin x plus c, where y at pi equal to pi, this implies that c equal to 1. So, y equal to x square sin x plus x implies y equal to x square sin x plus x implies y at pi by 2 equal to pi square by 4 plus pi by 2. Also, dy by dx equal to x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus 1. Second derivative, d square y by dx square equal to minus x square sin x plus 4x cos x plus 2 sin x. This implies that d square y by dx square at pi by 2 is minus pi square by 4 plus 2. Hence, correct option is 1. Question 10. Let t denote the greatest integer less than or equal to t. Then the equation in x, that is bracket x square plus 2 into bracketed term x plus 2 minus 7 equal to 0 has options are exactly 2 solutions, exactly 4 integral solutions, infinitely many solutions, no integral solution. X square plus 2 times x plus 2 minus 7 equal to 0. This implies that bracket x square plus 2x plus 4 minus 7 equal to 0. This implies that bracket x must be equal to 1 or minus 3. This implies that x belongs to 1, 2 union minus 3 minus 2. Hence, correct option is 3. It has infinitely many solutions. Question 11. Let alpha and beta be the roots of x square minus 3x plus p equal to 0 and gamma and delta form a geometric progression. Then ratio 2p 2q plus p as to 2q minus p is option 3 as to 1, 9 as to 7, 33 as to 31, 5 as to 3. Solution. X square minus 3x plus p equal to 0. It has a root alpha and beta, and it is given that alpha, beta and gamma, delta, these are in geometric progression. This implies that alpha plus alpha are equal to 3. Similarly, gamma and delta are also root of x square minus 6x plus q equal to 0. Therefore, alpha r square plus alpha r cube equal to 6. If we divide 2 by 1, it will get r square equal to 2. And so, 2q plus p divided by 2q minus p equal to 2r raised to 5 plus r divided by 2r raised to 4 minus r. That is nothing but 2r raised to 4 plus 1, 2r raised to 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 9 as to 7. Option is 2. A survey shows that 63% of the people in a city read newspaper A, whereas 76% read newspaper B. If X% of the people read both the newspaper, then the possible value of X can be options are 55, 37, 29, 65. Solution. Number of B is less than or equal to number of A union B is less than or equal to number of U. This implies that 76 is less than or equal to 76 plus 36, 63 minus X, which is less than or equal to 100. Therefore, minus 63 is less than or equal to minus X is less than or equal to minus 39. This implies that 63 is greater than or equal to X is greater than or equal to minus equal to 39. Then the possible value of X is 55, because 37 doesn't lie in the range 63 to 39, 29 also doesn't lie, and 65 also doesn't lie. Only 55 lies. Let fx equal to mod of x minus 2 and gx equal to f of fx. X belongs to closed interval 0, 4. Then integration from 0 to 3 of gx minus fx dx is equal to, options are 3 by 2, 1, 0, 1 by 2. Solution. Integration from 0 to 3 gx minus fx dx equal to integration from 0 to 3 mod of x minus 2 dx minus integration 0 to 3 of mod of x minus 2 dx, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 into 1, which is nothing but 1. Hence, correct option is 2. Question 14. Let x naught be the point of local maxima of fx equal to a dot b cross c, where a bar equal to xi minus 2j plus 3k, b bar equal to 2 minus 2i plus xj minus k, and c bar equal to 7i minus 2j plus xk. Then the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a at x equal to x naught is minus 4, minus 30, minus 22, 14. Solution. Fx is nothing but a dot b cross c, which is given by determinant of x minus 2, 3, minus 2, x minus 1, 7, minus 2, minus x. If you evaluate this determinant, fx will be x cube minus 27x plus 26. A dot b cross c equal to x cube minus 27x plus 26. F dash x equal to 3x square minus 27 equal to 0 implies x equal to plus minus 3, and f double dash of minus 3 is less than 0. Therefore, local maxima at x equal to x naught is minus 3. Thus, a bar equal to minus 3i minus 2j plus 3k, b bar equal to minus 2i minus 3j minus k, and c bar equal to 7i minus 2j minus 3k. Substitute the values of c, x in a, b, c. This implies that a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to minus 22. Hence, correct option is 3. Question 15. Two vertical poles AB equal to 15 and CD equal to 10 meter are standing apart on a horizontal ground with points A and C on the ground. If P is a point of intersection of AB and AD, then the height of P in meter above the line AC is. Options are 10 by 3, 20 by 3, 5, 6. AB and CD are two poles of height 15 and 10, standing apart on a horizontal ground with points A and C. P is a point of intersection of BC and AD. Draw this figure like this. Then tan theta equal to CD by AC, that is 10 by x. 10 by x. Suppose point P is at a distance h from the ground. Then tan theta equal to 10 by x, which is nothing but h by x2. This implies that x2 equal to hx by 10. Tan phi equal to 15 by x equal to h by x1. Therefore, x1 equal to hx by 15. Now, x1 plus x2 equal to x equal to hx by 15 plus hx by 10. This implies that 1 equal to h by 10 plus h by 15. If you solve this, you will get h equal to 6. Hence, correct option is 4. Question 16. Let x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A is greater than b. Be the given ellipse, length of whose lattice rectum is 10. If its eccentricity is the maximum value of the function phi t equal to pi by 12 plus t minus t square, then a square plus b square is equal to. Options are 116, 126, 145, 135. Solution. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b is given. This implies that 2b square by a equal to 10. Hence, b square equal to 5a, first equation. Now, phi of t equal to 5 by 12 plus t minus t square equal to 8 by 12 minus t minus 1 by 2 square. T minus 1 by 2 square. Phi of t max equal to 8 by 12 equal to 2 by 3 equal to e. This implies that e square equal to 1 minus b square by a square, which is nothing but 4 by 9. This implies that a square equal to 81 from equation 1 and 2. So, a square plus b square equal to 81 plus 45 equal to 126. Hence, correct option is 2. Question 17. Let u equal to 2z plus I divided by z minus ki. U equal to 2z plus I divided by z minus ki. Z equal to x plus iy. K greater than 0. If the curve represented by real part of u plus imaginary part of u equal to 1 intersect the y-axis at points P and Q, where PQ equal to 5, then the value of K is, options are 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 4 and 2. Let u equal to 2z plus I divided by z minus ki, which is nothing but 2x square plus 2y plus 1 divided by y minus k divided by x square plus y minus k bracket square plus I times x into 2y plus 1 minus 2x into y minus k divided by x square plus y minus k bracket square. Substituting the value of z as x plus iy and rationalizing it by multiplying z plus ki and dividing z minus z plus ki. We will get this thing. Since real part of u plus imaginary part of u equal to 1, we have 2x square plus 2y plus 1 into y minus k plus x into 2y plus 1 minus 2x into y minus k is equal to x square plus y minus k square. P at 0 y1 and q at 0 y2, this implies y square plus y minus k square equal to 0, where y1 plus y2 equal to minus 1 and y1 y2 equal to minus 1 minus k square. Where pq equal to 5, mod of y1 minus y2 equal to 5. This shows that k square plus k minus 6 equal to 0. Hence k equal to minus 3, 2. So k equal to 2 as k is greater than 0. Hence correct option is 4. Question 18. If 1 plus 1 minus 2 square into 1 plus 1 minus 4 square into 3 plus 1 minus 6 square into 5 plus so on 1 minus 20 square into 19 equal to alpha minus 220 beta, then the order pair alpha beta is equal to, options are 10 103, 11 103, 10 97, 11 97. It is given that 1 plus 1 minus 2 square into 1, 1 minus 4 square into 1 plus so on 1 minus 20 square into 19 equal to alpha minus 220 beta. This is equal to 11 minus 2 square into 1 plus 4 square into 3 plus 20 square into 19. This is equal to 11 square minus 2 square into r equal to 1 to 10 summation r equal to 1 to 10 of r square into 2r minus 1 is equal to 11 minus 4 into 110 square by 2 minus 35 into 11, that is equal to 11 minus 120 into 13. This implies that alpha is equal to 11, beta equal to 103, and hence the order pair 2 is correct option. Question 19. The mean and variance of 8 observations are 10 and 13.5 respectively. The mean and variance of 8 observations are 10 and 13.5 respectively. If 6 of these observations are 5, 7, 10, 12, 14 and 15, then the absolute difference of remaining 2 observations is options are 5, 9, 3, 7. It is given that x bar equal to 10. Therefore, x bar equal to 63 plus a plus b divided by 8. That is average. This implies that a plus b equal to 17. Since variance is independent of origin, so we can subtract 10 from each observation. So, sigma square equal to 13.5. This implies that 79 plus a minus 10 square plus b minus 10 square divided by 8 minus 10 square. This implies that a square plus b square minus 20 times a plus b is equal to minus 171. A square plus b square equal to 169. Therefore, a square plus b square equal to 169. From 1 and 2, we can evaluate a equal to 12, b equal to 5. Hence, correct option is 4. Difference between them is 7. Let fx equal to integration of root x divided by 1 plus x square dx, x greater than or equal to 0. Then f of 3 minus f of 1 is equal to, options are 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 4, minus 5 by 12 plus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 4, 5 by 12 plus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 4, minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 4. Fx equal to integration from 1 to 3 of root of x dx divided by 1 plus x square equal to integration from 1 to root 3 t into 2t dt divided by 1 plus t square bracket square, put root of x equal to t. Fx equal to integration 1 to root 3 into 2t into 2t divided by 1 plus t square bracket square dt. This implies that minus t divided by 1 plus t square from 1 to root 3 minus plus tan inverse t from 1 to root 3 by parts, which is nothing but minus root 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus pi by 3 minus pi by 4, which is 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 4 plus pi by 12. Hence, correct option is 3. Question 21. If the equation of plane P passing through the intersection of planes x plus 4y minus z plus 7 equal to 0, 3x plus y plus 5z equal to 8 is ax plus by plus 6z equal to 15 for some ab belong to R, then the distance of the point 3 to minus 1 from the plane P is, solution, d1 equal to minus 7, 4, minus 1, 8, 1, 5 and 15 b 6. This is equal to 0. This implies that b equal to minus 3. Similarly, d equal to 1, 4, minus 1, 3, 1, 5, a, b, 6. This is equal to 0. This implies 21a minus 8b minus 66 equal to 0. P is 2x minus 3y plus 6z equal to 15. So, required distance is 21 by 7, distance of a point from the plane. By using that formula, we can calculate 21 by 7 equal to 3. Hence, correct answer is 3. Let 2x square plus 3x plus 4 raised to 10 equal to sum over r equal to 0 to 20 ar x raised to r. Then a7 by a13 is equal to. It is given that 2x square plus 3x plus 4 raised to 10 equal to sum over r equal to 0 to 20 ar x raised to r. Replace x by 2 by x in the above identity. You will get 2 raised to 10 into 2x square plus 3x plus 4 raised to 10 divided by x raised to 20 equal to sum r from 0 to 20 ar 2 raised to r divided by x raised to r. This implies 2 raised to 10 into sum r equal to 0 to 20 ar x raised to r equal to r equal to 0 to 20 ar 2 raised to r x raised to 20 minus r from the equation 1. Now comparing the coefficient of x raised to 7 from both the sides. Take r equal to 7 in LHS and take r equal to 13 in RHS. Therefore 2 raised to 10 A7 equal to 2 raised to 13 A13. Therefore A7 divided by A13 equal to 2 raised to 3, which is nothing but 8. Hence answer is 8. Question 23. Suppose a differentiable function fx satisfies the identity f of x plus y equal to fx plus f of y plus xy square plus x square y for all real x and y. If limit x tends to 0 of fx by x equal to 1, then f of 3 is equal to. Since limit x tends to 0 of f of x divided by x exists, this implies that f of 0 equal to 0 exists. Now f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, which is nothing but limit h tends to 0 of f of h plus xh square plus x square h divided by h, taking y equal to h. We will get limit h tends to 0 f of h plus h by h plus limit h tends to f of x plus h plus x square. This implies f dash x equal to 1 plus 0 plus x square, and hence f dash 3 equal to 1 plus 9, that is equal to 10. Hence answer is 10. Question 24. The system of equations x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 9, 2x plus y plus z equal to b, x minus 7y plus az equal to 24 has infinitely many solutions. Then a minus b equal to determinant of the coefficients 1 minus 2 3 2 1 1 1 minus 7 a equal to 0. This implies a equal to 8, and determinant 9 minus 2 3 b 1 1 24 minus 7 8, that is replacing first column by right hand side elements, equal to 0. This implies b equal to 3. Hence a minus b equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Answer is 5. Question 25. The probability of a man hitting a target is 1 by 10. The least number of shots required so that the probability of hitting the target at least once is greater than 1 by 4 is. We have 1 minus probability of all shots results in failure is greater than 1 by 4. Therefore 1 minus 9 by 10 raised to n is greater than 1 by 4. Therefore 3 by 4 is greater than or equal to 9 by 10 raised to n. This implies that n must be greater than or equal to 3. Answer is 3. Thank you. See you again in next video.